Hey, buddy. How you doing? I missed you. Like, really. It's a crazy thing to say, but I did miss you, and I have a couple reasons why I missed you. One of the main reasons why is because I actually went almost a whole day without saying what's up to you and playing with you. But this is also why. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, he's setting up a game. Quick tap. I don't have time, dude. I gotta get ready for today. Um, no. Sorry. Nah, dude, I can't. Sorry. It's all gravy. But I got someone I want you to meet. Yeah. Okay. Here, I want to meet you. I want you to meet you someone. He's over here doing something. Oh, there he is. There he is. Who's that guy? You know that guy? Go chase him. Let me bring him over here. Hey, Vector. I got someone I want you. I got someone I want you to meet. He's over there. They're acting like they don't know each other or want to have anything to do with each other. Cosmo just cares about daddy. He just wants to study me. He probably can't recognize me because of the light behind me. Nice. Good job, Cosmo. Nice. Show me. Show Vector. So Vector comes out the box like almost blank. He doesn't know how to do anything. At least Cosmo came out with some programs kind of already or very intuitive in a way where you could just start playing with him instantly. He has some type of personality already that you could probably mold. When it seems like with Vector, it's almost like a baby. You have to build it from scratch, which is why I got him. I got him because I'm a programmer. I want to start programming bots.